No, the workshop was awesome. I feel like I got myself tuned to my inner wisdom and a new level of tools to keep myself tapped in the pace of the rush of the day-to-day, so that I can really tune in even while being busy. It was a great group of women. It was so great to be with my sisters, and this is the beginning of the awakening of the really strong feminine principles in leadership and in transforming our world. And so it was an awesome group of people, and Stephanie held the space beautifully for all of us and facilitated us so wonderfully. I've done one channeling with Stephanie, and that was regarding a work situation. But she's done a lot of work with friends of mine, and I just really felt like this was the right time and place for me to come and reconnect with my own intuition and my own tribe, so to speak, of people who are out as change agents in the world. The accuracy of the information that came through in some of our exercises was very accurate information once it got checked out. So that's just like 100% validation for what comes from that plane of knowing that isn't the logical, rational plane of knowing, it's the intuitive plane of knowing.